Hey guys, in this video I'll talk about how to make your dropshipping accounting simple, right? And how to manage it without any issues. And I'll talk about specific platform that you can use for that purpose. So basically the platform that you can utilize for make all of your accounting very streamlined, right? So if you don't want to have any tax issues, if you don't want to have any like IRS issues, if you don't want to have any accounting issues and waste like tons of time for this, and that specifically, if you're doing like good volume with your dropshipping business, this platform is for you, and I'll talk exactly, how you can utilize it, how you can basically get the full advantage out of it, and how you can simplify it and save tons of time. You can probably, do your bookkeeping alone, or you can work with someone. But if you want to build like a massive business, you have to delegate. You have to basically free up your time from those, like lower value tasks. And why is there so accounting is this task which is like low value, but at the same time it's very important, right? So you want some professionals to handle it, right? And you have to delegate, right? So you must delegate it because if you do it manually, it's just not the most effective use of your time. And I would say like 20K per month is a good threshold for investing into professional accounting services, maybe even earlier, right? So if you have a company, if you have LLC, then you definitely need help with this, right? And why I recommend Bench. So Bench is this service that I recommend for bookkeeping, right? For accounting, and it integrates directly with Shopify, which is awesome, right? So all of your transactions, all of your sales like integrate directly with Bench. So all of the accounting is very, very easy to do. And also you get the dedicated like account manager, right? So whatever the plan, you can see all of their plans here, right? So every plan comes with a dedicated bookkeeping team. By the way, if you want to sign up for Bench, there is a link below this video that you can use to sign up. You get like a free trial. So basically they'll work with you for 1 month for free. They'll basically help you out as much as possible, and you don't even have to pay for it, right? So just click on the link below, sign up for this free trial with them if you're looking for this accounting service, if you want to free up your time from this, right? So they get like this service. They have dedicated bookkeepers, right, just for you. They have like real humans, right, people who are do this like 24/7. So like I always think about it in a way where it's like you have to focus on something that drives the most factor, and the rest of other things just give people that do this stuff like 24/7. So for example, if you do your own like video editing, it's not smart use of your time. You have to give your video editing to someone who does it like 24/7, who's very good at it, right? So the same with accounting, right? So their team like imports like bank statements. They like categorize transactions and prepares financial statements for you every month, right? So basically simplify everything for you. They work in-house and they respond within 1 business day, which is like good communication. Like everything can get sorted very fast. So financial data, they provided financial data, monthly financial statements, and expense overviews. So instead of like just plugging it yourself from like different sources, you just use the service. They do all for you. You just review it, see what maybe like expenses you can eliminate, maybe some things you can adjust, and basically have the full picture of your business, right? And at a glance, visual reports help you to see the big picture and give you actionable insights to help you grow your business. And so basically you'll never be in the dark anymore, right? So you can see here basically how it works, right? All of the business insights you can see here, like cash, right? Like real-time cash flow tracking, right? So everything is provided in reports like this, very like colorful, very easy to understand. So it's just amazing, like powerful financial reporting, bookkeeping software. Like everything is very like they have like closer demonstration. So you can see basically it's very like straightforward. So this software basically simplifies a lot of those things for you that you would be spending a lot of time for, right? So basically how it works. They introduce you to a dedicated bookkeeper, right? So once you sign up, they'll get to know your business, show you how Bench works, and gather everything they need from you. And then each month, your bookkeeper imports your business transactions and gets to work on your books. And if they need anything from you, they'll get in touch, right? So you have this like transparent communication. Fast forward, they do what they do best, you do what you do best, like scaling your ads,
managing your business, hiring people, like, and they just, this part is just taken, care of, right? So easily, you can easily track business help with real-time and monthly financial reporting. At tax time, they send you everything you need to file, right? So no like gathering, like resources from different sources, exporting, statements and stuff like that. So everything that you need, like they'll just provide you, so you can file your tax returns. Get one-on-one support when you need it, right? And Bench also gives you like dedicated bookkeeper supported by a team of in-house experts, and they're there to take tedious like financial admin and bookkeeping stress off your plate for good, right? So all of these services, guys, again, there's like free trial with them. You can try it out, see if it's like good fit for you. There's a link below this video that you can use to sign up for this service. If you like it, you stay with them. If not, it's fine, but I'm sure you will like it. They have a lot of services. It's like America's largest bookkeeping service, right? It's like they have a lot of customers, specifically e-commerce businesses. So I highly recommend them. Click on the link below, sign up for this service, just free up your time, especially if you're already like having good traction with your business. Just get it out of your plate and spend the time on what matters most. By the way, guys, if you're looking for help, scaling your business to the next level, help with your Facebook ads, help with your e-commerce store conversions, overall help with overall like infrastructure, then click on the link below. There's a link in the description. Apply for a free strategy session with my team where we'll help you to basically scale your business to the next level. If you're a good fit, we'll be working together on this. And then if you like this video, please let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing basically services and things that I have found valuable that you can utilize for yourself, so you can free up your time, you can make more money, and you can make your business more efficient. So click on subscribe button, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.